I'm sure that batter's flat by now. We've had a good day's filming, but this is the icing on the cake, this one. I forgot about that bit. Pull these. Ah. Well, that seems to be the way through. I forgot about that one. This one's next. Watch this one. This one's bad. Oh no, it's okay. Last time I went close to the tree. Camera! Camera! Foto! Foto! Quick, turn the map off.
Warte mal.
Stay where you are.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, don't make it look good. Leave it like that.
Hey, und die geile Lichte dazu. Fantastisch.
Das ist das Foto der Tour. Lass mich mal dahin.
Yeah, actually this is the best bet. If we get them two trees.
Scheiße, ich hab vergessen, ich hab kein Profil mehr. Ich wollte Vollgas geben und ging nichts voran.
So, das sind die Kasten.
I suppose we got to think about getting that out now.
Oh, ist gut da.
Das ist der Trail of the day. Oh
ja. You got your rope with you.
Yeah. We got all sorts. Let's just get ready first to get my helmet off.